He was 12 years old, just a kid with a backpack and straight A's. But for 6 months, he had been planning, mapping every camera in the school, memorizing every teacher's schedule. He knew exactly when the hallways would be empty. He knew exactly where the safe was kept. The night he struck, not a single alarm went off, not one fingerprint left behind. Police were baffled. This was a professional job. It took them 3 weeks to even suspect a child. When they finally checked the footage, his face never appeared once. He had thought of everything, every single detail. So the question isn't how he did it. The question is, who taught him?